Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 2, we will present about the material center design. Before that, I will introduce our group. The first, I'm Anita Nuraini, Yola Monica, Cindy Repa Pratiwi, and Dani Farmayola. And the first, I will explain about the definition central design. Central design curriculum development start with the selection of the teaching and learning activities, technique, and method using the syllabus or expected learning outcomes. Central designs means starting with the process and verifying input and output from the classroom methodology. Jadi, central design ini adalah pengembang kurikulum yang mulai dengan seleksi pengajaran dan pembelajaran melalui aktivitas, teknik, dan metodologi menggunakan silabus atau perkiraan pembelajaran. Nah, central design ini bermulai melalui proses input dan outputnya berasal dari metodologi kelas.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yola Monica. I'm from group 2. I would like to explain the process of central design. Research also revealed that based on the research on the implementation of learning by teachers, it shows that teachers tend to use a central design when developing their learning. The first thing they consider when compiling learning is determining the learning activities and procedures to be used. They assume that the exercises and learning activities they design at the beginning of learning will determine the success of learning outcomes. The following is the model or design of curriculum development according to a central design approach. The first is methodology, content, and outcomes. The first thing to do is determine the form of learning activities in the classroom, then determining the form by determining the appropriate material or topic, and also learning outcomes. In contrast, in future design, wherein the curriculum development approach with future design, input is determined first. In this case, the theme or topic of learning that will be studied by students. Then the syllabus is designed to summarize the topics and detail what linguistics is needed to study to the topic, such as vocabulary and grammar. After the syllabus is designed, learning activities is determined and how to measure learning outcomes known as output.
I will explain about examples of central design approaches in language teaching. The first is audiolingual methods or ALM. Audiolingual method is emphasize understanding grammar in foreign language mastery. Yang artinya itu adalah menekankan pemahaman tata bahasa dalam penguasaan bahasa asing. The second is current counseling learning. Current counseling learning is the learning process doesn't use a special syllabus that is used. Pembelajaran konseling dari current, proses pembelajaran tidak menggunakan syllabus khusus yang digunakan. The third is task-based language teaching or TBLT. TBLT is a learning approach that uses tasks or contextual activity in language learning. The fourth is Method teaching. Post-method teaching is a curriculum development process that doesn't prepare specific syllabus from scratch. And the last is the ecological classroom. The learning is considered ecology. So enough for me, and next.
Okay, I'm Dani Farmayola. I will explain about conclusion. Conclusion of the material is in the forward design content it is also called input, which means the knowledge of language or material to be given. Then the process is the same as methodology, which means how the process of delivering material that has been prepared with strategies and technique is in accordance with the abilities of students. In the central design, there is no stipulation of a syllabus at the beginning of curriculum development. There is a methodology or learning process that is determined first, followed by determining the content or input and outcomes or assessment to see the success of the lesson. Nah, jadi perbedaan antara forward design dan central design adalah kalau forward design penetapan silabus di awal pengembangan kurikulum, sedangkan pada central design ada penetapan silabus tidak ada di awal pengembangan kurikulum. Yang ada adalah metodologi atau proses pembelajaran ditentukan terlebih dahulu. Setelah itu dilanjutkan dengan penentuan konten atau input dan outcomes atau penilaian untuk melihat keberhasilan pembelajaran. I think enough for me. Thank you.